I shine in the light, wait.
Let's get the
Wait.
Light the most right here.
The car upside down?
Oh, down.
Wait, you all sure we can make this? Faster right now. The windows are broken, and now water is coming through those big windows you see over there. Water is everywhere. The kitchen is destroyed. Water is up to basically the cabinets. Everything is just in ruins. All the wooden floors came up. It's a disaster. Attempt to head out in the storm to evacuate to go by our neighbors. It's a 2-story home. Wait, the car moving? Yo, we gotta move the generator. Help me put the generator on the thing up.
We gotta go up on the attic. You actually with me?
Where the car is, right?